But before going to the video, we are having few announcements here. And here we are having few new courses, master course for those who are into beginner and want to start their journey into bug bounty. You guys can definitely take a look at the master course. It's gonna be around 50 days with tons of content in it, so make sure you pause the video, check it out. Now to those who are not into bug bounty but want to level up their skills in a great amount, make sure you go to the elite one, because in this one it's completely hands-on. We have reported almost few bugs every session, so make sure to check this one out and level up your journey in the best possible way. And now for those into Android bug bounty, yeah, this one is for you. Definitely it's a recorded one, you can watch it at your own pace. But and also this one is the recording of a live course, so you are gonna get tons of content. And make sure you also take a look at this particular part. And tip, JS code review. As you guys know how important a source code review would be, this is gonna be having a lot of details into him, lot of labs, lot of resources in it. So make sure you pause the video and take a look at the syllabus. And I guess that was for it. All the links are shared in the description, so make sure to check them out and get your discount. So here we are on the computer screen and we are talking about the CVE-2025-4388. It's an XSS in the library portal 7.4.0 to 7.4.3.131. Basically, you can simply inject any sort of JavaScript code into the modules and more marketplace app manager web applications, and this quite simple to detect. Yes, again, we have hunted it a lot during our sessions, also in our classes, and manually you guys can find it a lot easier. Also, there are multiple nuclei templates available for it, so it's not gonna be a big deal for you. So if I show you a simple post which is having all details, so as you guys can see already over on my Twitter, on my LinkedIn, sorry, not on Twitter, it's a marketplace app manager XSS. Simple as that, unauthenticated execution, no complicated particles. Here's a simple payload that you guys can use. Example vector is this: find a URL having it that particular marketplace app manager web icon, and then simply give the icon URL as a payload that will reflect overall into a simple XSS, as you guys can see here. It is gonna be as simple as that, not a big deal. Now you might be asking how to find nuclei template for it, so you can simply go over the nuclei for the template, or here it is. Here is the template. Initially you guys can simply go in the 2025 directory and try to find it over there. Not a complicated thing, as easy as that. As you can see, just add the base URL and find that particular thing. Of course you can try to execute or escalate this particular type of CVs into multiple ones. If you want a live POC, let's go to my email address then. So in this particular session we have reported a few of them. Let me open any of them. So as you can see here, it is not that complex. Actually we have found two of them. Here are they. Click on any URL, both of them are having that payload initially in them, and they will execute as easy as that. I can change the document.domain to cookie. It can execute. I can add whatever I want, like I just add 14, I can add any number, I can try to add any sort of text too if I want, and that will bring me that type of text here, and this is as easy as that to execute. So make sure to try this thing out, it's gonna be as simple as that. All the links, all the templates are gonna be available in the description, so don't worry about that. Have a good day. So that was for the video. Thanks for watching. All the links I said I will be available in the description, so make sure to check all of them out and see you guys in the next video.